Have you ever eaten an apple and wondered, where did this even come from? Believe it or not, every fruit, flower, and leaf start with a secret team hidden inside the plant. Today we're going to reveal who's doing what in this green little factory. Let's start from the bottom. The roots. Roots grow under the ground. We don't see them, but they're super important. They drink water and minerals from the soil. They hold the plant in place, just like your feet hold you up. Without roots, the plant would fall over and be very thirsty. Next comes the stem. It's like the plant's body. It carries water from the roots to the leaves and flowers, like a delivery truck. It also holds the plant up, tall and proud. Some stems are hard, like trees. Some are soft, like a tomato plant. But every stem is busy doing important work. Now let's flap our way to the leaves. Leaves are the plant's chefs. They cook food for the plant using sunlight, air, and water. This process is called photosynthesis. But don't worry about that big word just yet. Leaves also help the plant breathe. Just like we need air, plants do too. Now comes the most colorful part, the flower. Flowers are not just pretty, they help the plant make new plants. Bees and butterflies visit flowers and help move pollen from one flower to another. This is how seeds are made. And that's how the plant family grows. And guess what comes next? Fruits. Fruits grow from flowers and carry seeds inside them. These seeds can grow into brand new plants, just like babies grow into kids. Fruits are like tiny packages that carry the plant's future inside. So what did we learn? Roots drink water and hold the plant. Stem carries food and water. Leaves make food. Flowers help make seeds. Fruits carry the seeds. Every part of a plant has a special job. So next time you see a plant, give it a little smile. It's working hard. And now you know the secret of how plants grow and live. Learning is fun, isn't it? Subscribe for more biology fun in simple words. See you in the next video.